Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Gemini on a laptop or PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, to run Google Gemini on your PC or laptop, you can install it as a progressive web app or PWA because Google does not offer a traditional exe or .dmg installer file for desktop operating system. You can go ahead and open up Google Chrome, Safari, or even Brave right here if you have Brave. Okay, and then once your browser is opened, just go ahead and find Google Gemini, right? Or go to gemini.google.com. All right, type it down in your tab, gemini.google.com. There you go. And once that's done, you can now then go ahead and click on three dots, click on Save and Share. Now go ahead and click on Install Page as an app. Click on it, click on Install, and then here we have it. When you go ahead and close the browser, here we have a Google Gemini shortcut. All right, there you go. Now close this one, double click on Google Gemini, and here we have it. Well, that's how simple it is to download and install Google Gemini on a laptop or PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.